Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can edit your job alerts in the LinkedIn application in 2025. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here in the LinkedIn web application, while logged in, click into jobs at the top. And from here, what you want to do is navigate to preferences to the left. And what you want to do next is navigate to job alerts here under my interests in your preferences. And simply click into the pencil icon next to the given job alert you would like to edit. After that, set an alert frequency like daily, weekly, a notification type like email and notification, or only one of them. And you may also enable this option here, get notified of similar jobs, or toggle it off if you like here to the right. And once you're content with your settings, go into your edits, click into save, or you may delete your job alert entirely by clicking into this button. And that's it guys, so let me click into save, click into done, and click into that X button here to save these edits. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.